snow and very little snow, and that could happen in portions of Connecticut. We'll talk about that in just a moment, but the entire state right now is under a winter storm warning. It begins late tonight and tomorrow morning, goes right into early Thursday morning. Notice just to the north of Connecticut, that winter storm warning is diminished to a winter weather advisory, and that's likely where the sharp cutoff is going to occur. So the latest track, no major changes, although there has been a slight shift to the south. Parts of the state will get 6 to 12 inches of snow and even more than that. Meanwhile, as far as timing goes, light snow is going to be spreading northward tomorrow morning. The worst of the storm is going to be in the late afternoon and evening tomorrow, and the storm will likely end. The final flakes will fall early Thursday morning. As far as the impact goes, it's going to be plowable snow, heavy and wet, poor visibility, especially in the afternoon and evening, and winds could gust up to 40 miles an hour, especially into southeastern Connecticut. There may be scattered power outages with this storm, but I don't expect it to become a major statewide problem. Right now we have a high overcast over Windsor Locks. That's in northern Connecticut, the part of the state that may get the least amount of snow from Winter Storm Jeannie. And London has cloudy skies. That part of the state could actually get a lot of snow, especially if there's no mixing going on. So early warning pinpoint Doppler shows precipitation aloft over southwestern Connecticut. It is not reaching the ground. The air is just way too dry. I'll talk about that in just a moment. Temperatures now in the 30s and lower 40s. And look at the dew point. We don't show this a lot in the wintertime, but it does factor into this storm. Dew points are in the upper single digits and the teens across much of the state. So when that snow falls from the clouds, it just kind of evaporates and looks like a virga. And it's going to be hard for that snow to penetrate into the dry air. You can see that happening right now. The snow is trying to advance northward, but into that dry air. So we got Jeannie, which is going to be transferring its energy to the coast. We have a threat of severe weather and tornadoes in the deep south. One storm center kind of squirting out to the south of New England, but by tomorrow morning, the main storm center will get going off the coast of Virginia. By tomorrow evening, it's south of New England with winds getting stronger, especially in southeastern Connecticut late tomorrow and tomorrow night. And then as we go into Thursday morning, it starts to pull away, and that's when the final flakes will fall around 7 or 8 in the morning. So Futurecast shows snow reaching southern Connecticut tomorrow morning, gradually spreading northward as we go into midday. And during the afternoon, we have periods of snow, heaviest in central and southern Connecticut. Everybody gets snow tomorrow night. And then as we go into Thursday morning, that's when it tapers off to snow showers. And then the sun comes out, and we turn out to have a pretty decent day. So 6 to 12 inches, especially in central and southern Connecticut, with locally higher amounts as we go into northern and northwestern Connecticut. A sharp cutoff, so it's really difficult to predict how much snow is going to be falling in places like Enfield and also Torrington and Goshen.